What's up, and what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Augusta. If you don't know that already, welcome to another video. I hope you guys liked the quick little montage that I did over there. That was literally last minute, and I do apologize ahead of time. I know it is very grainy. It is because your boy does not have that much of lighting equipment just yet, but you guys hang in tight in there. But today I actually wanted to let you guys know that in this video you are going to see the project car. So today within this video we're going to show you guys the project car. Comment down below on what you think it is. It's either a... I'm not even going to say. Just comment down below on what you think the project car is. And yeah, so stay tuned within the video and we'll keep you updated. But as far as right now, we are actually, if you guys watched my videos back in the days, you probably know this view. So we're at CalFit. We're going to try and talk to them about the new situation about working out and as being a member still. So because they're just working out in the outside area. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated as soon as we get out of here, and then yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next clip. It's been a couple minutes now, but Irene's gonna tell you guys what we actually just got. We got Chipotle. Hell yeah,
I love Chipotle.
Chipotle is live. Somebody texted us. So we just got Chipotle, and now since it's already 12:56, sorry about that. There's Jake in the background. I don't know if you guys remember him, but it's a Pontiac that did a quick little burnout at the Finessy Lifestyle Meet in Happy Lemon. Andy Punch right next to us.
Right behind us.
But yeah, so anyway, we're gonna actually head out over there now to the project car area. So you guys stay tuned and we'll give you a quick little montage as soon as we get there. Peace. Alrighty guys, so we're here and we're in front of the project car. I did not honestly think it was going to be this clean. I'll just have the montage speak for itself. So what are we waiting for? Here we go. Motor. Got a trim in the carb right there. Ooh, little 6-cylinder over here back in 1966.
Ooh, she purrs! I love it! I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage of the 1966 Mustang. You guys already got a good glimpse of how she looks, and tell me she looks gorgeous. Just little things here and there that we do have to fix. Pros about it, the engine runs and it's damn near 0 miles on it, so that's a great thing. And you could hear it just idle so beautifully. Only thing we have to really do major things on is just fix up the whole interior, fix up the side doors, the carpet, the seats. And I mean, just little things here and there aesthetically wise. Luckily, the paint job's pretty good. We just need to add some pieces here and there for some paint corrections. But I mean, other than that, she looks beautiful. So please comment down below what you guys want to see us do on this Mustang. Give us ideas, suggestions on places we should look at, like parts, websites, anything that could really help us through this. Continue watching us and help us get through this journey. Hopefully we're all in this together. And let's see what's next.
And just like that, guys, comment down below also if Irene did a great job on like telling you guys what actually happened within the 1966 Mustang. So yeah, I'm sorry if you guys didn't guess the Mustang right. It is a Mustang, and I know I gave you guys a couple of like little tiny hints that it was going to be JDM something, but I kind of did you guys wrong, and I really do apologize. But yeah, so just to follow up on what Irene basically said, the previous owner actually had put in a new crate inline 6 motor in this, so literally that's why Irene said that it damn near has 0 miles, so that's why it runs perfectly. Although the carburetor is pretty small, so maybe we could put a racing carb on this or something like that. Who knows? But yeah, so TLC is definitely what it needs. And yeah, guys, please do share this video, like this video, comment down below on any suggestions that you guys probably would have for us, because we are going to need all the support and all the love we can get. But yeah, as far as right now, we're here at the sandwich spot, the one and only sandwich spot that all Finessy Lifestyle members usually kick it and grab the sandwiches that we usually get. And yeah, we're only going to stay growing and escalating from here with content and with the entertainment that we can give you guys. So thank you again so much for tuning in, and this is not over yet. Just keep on watching. Hey, I see you grab that mouse right there. You gotta put that back. Stay tuned. Keep watching. All right, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm watching you.
Austin, there's no outro.
What?
There's no outro.
What are you talking about? There's no outro.
Look. You never did one.
You see? What? All right. Take one. Alright, guys, so it is the next day, literally damn near 24 hours later. I forgot to put a outro for the video, and yeah, I really hope this is something I won't do constantly, but this is me trying to redeem myself, basically. I really hope you guys like this video. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate you. Not only me, but everybody else in Finessy Lifestyle appreciates and loves everybody that continues to support us. If you've been here from the very beginning, shout out to you. Let me know in the comment section who you are. And yeah, so with all that being said, guys, do not forget to put in your calendar September 20th for the Finessy Lifestyle Fall Drop. The merch will be coming out pretty soon, and along with the Finessy Lifestyle masks. Those are very low in inventory now. I think we have less than 30 left in stock right now, so please do hit me up on Instagram, Finessy Lifestyle. Shoot me a DM, buy one for your kid, your mom, your sister, your neighbor. But you know, just spread out the love, guys, and we appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. And yeah, like I said, I'll say it one more time, we're only going to continue to grow from here. So with that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, stay positive and